This is 7 National News, and in our top story. Now in its second day, the 13th Cityscape Global continues to witness robust business as companies showcase billions of dirhams worth of new projects at the region's largest real estate event. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, visited Cityscape Global earlier today and made his first stop at Miras. He was joined by His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai, and His Highness Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Deputy Ruler of Dubai. The royal family also stopped by Dubai Holding and its companies, Dubai Properties and Tecom Investments, where updates on D3 or Dubai Design District are on display, along with other developments. They also visited other major UAE developers, including Nakheel, which launched the Palm Gateway, a 3-tower waterfront living and leisure complex with more than 1,300 homes, a beach club, retail, dining, as well as health and fitness facilities. The UAE Foreign Minister, His Highness Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan, has attended the HeForShe Solidarity Campaign in New York, an event organized by the United Nations Entity for Gender Equality and the Empowerment of Women, known as UN Women. The event was attended by Her Highness Sheikh Jawahar bint Mohammed Al Qasimi, wife of the ruler of Sharjah and honorary chairperson of the Sharjah Business Women Council, with the participation of Ban Ki-moon, Secretary General of the United Nations, and a number of senior political and cultural figures. Speaking on the occasion, the UN Secretary General stated that states have an obligation to address violence against women but need to change attitudes, noting that 1 in 3 women is a victim of violence. According to Emirates news agency WAM, Sheikha Jawahar was quoted as saying that we as Emirati women are proud of what we have achieved in the United Arab Emirates, as well as recognizing the efforts of past and present leaders' efforts in support of Emirati women at the international level, strengthening their role and their presence outside the state. HeForShe is a global solidarity movement to end gender inequality by 2030 and has the goal to engage men and boys as advocates and agents of change in the effort to achieve equality. The results from this year's social survey by the Community Development Authority in Dubai has given people another reason to use the hashtag #HappyDubai on their social media, with 96% of the respondents claiming that they feel safe and protected in the Emirate. At a press conference, His Excellency Khalid Al-Kamda revealed the details of the third social survey, which was conducted between the 5th of October and the 19th of December 2013, using the responses of 15,077 individuals belonging from 3,796 households. The findings were based on the responses according to different issues concerning the society, which included the general life in Dubai, social cohesion, social needs and services, human rights, national identity, opinions and personal values, as well as social empowerment and participation. The 2013-14 findings revealed that the feeling of protection and safety increased to 96%, from 92.8% recorded in 2011. The general feeling of happiness reached 8.08 out of 10 compared to 7.9 out of 10 in 2011. Speaking at the press conference, the Director General of the CDA stated that the high levels of satisfaction were primarily due to the tolerant society, and the results should be useful to ensure continuous improvement in services.
We compare ourselves with the most advanced country in terms of the social services, and we find Dubai competing with everyone. For us, this is the beginning. This is not the end. The indicators is for us to improve on our services, to share this information as well with all of the authorities in Dubai. For them is to gauge out how well the improvement in their services and what they need to do to ensure that we continue to deliver the same standard of services.
One of the key findings which the authority will look to improve is the low figure of volunteering in Dubai, which made a total of 2.9%, as opposed to 47% in Canada. Describing it as an emerging trend, the Director General added that they will work with the authorities to increase the participation of the youth in community services.
We have started working together with different social clubs, with different communities, by visiting them in their own places, to encourage them to be involved in different work and volunteering. And I'm not saying only the environment and cleaning. I'm thinking of really different volunteering initiative, whether we have the professional or the skilled as well, people to be involved.
A federal law is being planned which is aimed at curbing wasteful energy and water use resulting from the rapid population expansion and economic development that has been witnessed in the UAE. According to local reports, His Excellency Suhail Al-Mazroui, the Minister of Energy, stated that the ministry had started to prepare a law that will include measures to prevent inefficient energy use. He stressed the need to slow the UAE's growth in electricity and water consumption, which has been running at an average of 6% a year over the past decade, with per capita use standing at between 2 and 3%, 3 times the international average. According to the latest figures available, the country's annual bill for electricity and water use stands at 35 billion dirhams. While each emirate sets its own tariff levels for energy, Mazroui has talked about the need to reduce government subsidies in the energy sector, although there have been no specific initiatives yet on that front at the federal level. In a report last year on wasteful energy use in the region, Chatham House, a London-based think tank, noted that the GCC countries used as much primary energy as the whole of Africa, or as Indonesia and Japan combined, although their populations are much smaller by comparison. The latest move is part of a broader strategy aimed at making energy use more efficient and diversifying its sources. Traffic accidents across the country dropped by 10.7% in the first 8 months of the year, according to statistics released by the General Department of Traffic Coordination of Ministry of Interior. A total of 3,170 traffic accidents took place in 2014 as compared to the 3,549 accidents reported in the same period last year. Brigadier Ghaith Hassan Al-Zabi, the Director General of Traffic Coordination, was quoted as saying that 362 people died in traffic accidents this year as compared to 464 last year, with injuries resulting from traffic accidents also registering a drop of 7.4% so far this year. And Dubai Health Authority cardiologists will be performing free heart surgeries for 30 young children to treat cardiac congenital abnormalities as part of the Nabadat initiative, according to a report released by Emirates news agency WAM. Nabadat, which means heartbeat, is an initiative launched by the DHA and the Mohammed bin Rashid Charity and Humanitarian Establishment to provide free medical assistance, surgery and post-surgical care to children whose parents cannot afford to pay for treatment of congenital heart diseases. The DHA sponsors the treatment for Emiratis, and the Mohammed bin Rashid Charity and Humanitarian Establishment sponsors treatment for expatriate patients. More than 350 children, ranging from newborns to those up to 21 years old, with congenital heart diseases have undergone life-saving procedures since its launch in 2007. Dr. Ubaid Al-Jassim, the head of cardiothoracic surgery at Dubai Hospital, was quoted as saying that for this round of surgeries, they are cooperating with a team of cardiac experts from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Since its inception in 2007, more than 350 patients have benefited from the program. 40% of the patients undergoing surgeries this time are Emiratis, the rest are expatriates and visitors. The patients are from Oman, India, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Jordan, Syria, Palestine, Kenya and the Philippines. And finally, in the bulletin, the management of Global Village is finalizing details for its November 6 opening, including beefing up safety and security and adding new attractions to the theme park. Now in its 19th season, the senior management at Global Village recently briefed government officials in the Emirate on the broad range of new developments and initiatives that are set to entice visitors in November to the largest outdoor family entertainment attraction in Dubai. Promising to be bigger and better than ever, this season this year will run until April 11, 2015. Ahmed Hussain, the Chief Operating Officer at Global Village, was quoted as saying that with the village expected to attract over 5 million visitors, Part of the park's objectives are to partner with government authorities to ensure the success of operations at the park and ensure the safety and security of everyone.